Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and you are enjoying my videos. Welcome back to your next English class. Myself, your Nupur ma'am, your English teacher, and without delaying our time, I will start today's class. As I was teaching you the second chapter on your mark. The chapter's name is on your mark, and these are the sections. Okay, in chapter 2, this is the first section I was teaching, and there I have already told about the daybreak and rooster's call. These are the newspaper reports, right? These are the newspaper name and newspaper reports, and this chapter is depending on the newspaper report. Okay, I hope you can see. I've already zoomed the video, right? And the last video I have given you the explanation about rooster's call. There you got about whom the Sapna Barman. I hope you can see the lines, right? And this was the last day's videos I am telling, where I have given you this explanation, right? All the meanings and explanation. And there is another part in section 1. This is also another newspaper name, Planet News. Okay, the name of the newspaper is Planet News, and there also you will get a report. So this is a newspaper of this is a report of Chandigarh, 5th September 2018, right? Okay, I hope you can see the lines. And so today I will discuss about this part of this section. See, Planet News, the newspaper name is Planet News. At the heading, you can see the heading, Asian Games. Vinesh Phogat becomes first Indian woman wrestler to win gold, right? So what is the name? Vinesh Phogat, and who becomes first Indian woman wrestler. I think you know about the wrestler. What is the meaning of wrestler? I hope you saw so many wrestler matches in movies, in TV, in anywhere, right? And I can say you so many names of the movie where you already have seen the wrestler, like that is Amir Khan's movie, like Dangal. There you can see the wrestling match of women, right? And see, this lady is the Vinesh Phogat, who is the relative of that Geeta Phogat. Okay, that Geeta Phogat, Babita Kumari, whose name you already got in that movie Dangal, right? So she is their family member. She is their cousin. Okay, she is Vinesh Phogat. She is their cousin, and you will get this in this chapter also. Who is she and where from she belongs and all, right? So see the heading again. Vinesh Phogat becomes first Indian woman wrestler to win gold. Who win gold? She is the first woman, right? Who won gold in Asian Games. Okay. See, there are some lines written by about her. Introduced to wrestling by her uncle. She was introduced in the wrestling world by her uncle and former wrestler Mahavir Phogat. Okay, his uncle's name is Mahavir Phogat, who was the former wrestler also, and her uncle also. Next, hails from one of the traditional wrestling families. She is belonging from the wrestling families of Bhiwani district. Cousin of wrestlers Geeta Phogat and Babita Kumari, both Commonwealth Games medalists. Both are Commonwealth Games medalists. Okay, she is a cousin of them. So you can see, and that is her name, Vinesh Phogat, the wondrous wrestler. Okay, so see the lines. I will start. See, Vinesh Phogat beat Yuki Airi of Japan. This is a name of another wrestler. Okay, she beat, okay, in the final of the women's wrestling at the Asian Games 2018. Okay, হারিয়ে দিয়েছিল. She beat means হারিয়ে দিয়েছিল. Vinesh Phogat beat Yuki Airi of Japan in the final of the women's wrestling at the Asian Games 2018, thus becoming the first Indian women wrestler to win a gold medal at the Asian Games. Thus, she became the first woman in the India and the wrestling world also who won a gold medal at the Asian Games. Okay, in 2018, right? See, earlier on her way to the final, Vinesh had defeated Yanan Sun of China. This is another person, another wrestler of China. She faced this difficulty with this person. Okay. Next, Vinesh had suffered a heartbreaking leg injury during the Rio Olympics against Sun. Whenever she was defeating with this person, Sun, she was suffering from a heartbreaking leg injury. Okay, her leg was injured, and during the Rio Olympics, in which game? Rio Olympics against Sun. Okay, she did not allow that to affect her, but it didn't affect her anyway. Though she was injured, but that was nothing affected to her. So she came out a winner with the incredible score of 8-2. Incredible means it is written here unbelievable. Okay, whether she got an injury in her leg, but she won the match and she was a winner with an incredible score also, 8-2. Okay, when she landed in Jakarta is a place, already you know Jakarta is a place. When she landed in Jakarta, the wrestler was more than 4 kilograms above the requisite weight for her category. Okay, each and every game there is a category of weight. Requisite weight means যতটুকু দরকার ততটুকু. Okay, in each and every game, in wrestling especially, there should be a weight. Okay, so whenever she landed in Jakarta, the wrestler was more than 4 kilograms above the requisite weight for her category. Okay, she had to lose 4 kilograms in 3 days. In 3 days she had to lose 3 দিনের মধ্যে তাকে 4 কিলোগ্রাম ওজন কমাতে হতো. Okay, to participate in that event. If she wanted to participate in that event, so she had to lose she had to lose 4 kilograms within 3 days. She was on a liquid diet for 3 days, worked out in a non-air conditions hall to increase sweating and doubled the number of training sessions. So she was taking only liquid diet. Diet means food, liquid diet, okay, for 3 days and worked out in a non-air conditions. Why non-air conditions? There, if you stay in non-air condition, work there, so it will give you a sweating. ঘাম হবে প্রচুর, okay, to increase sweating, ঘাম বাড়ানোর জন্য, and doubled the number of training sessions. And যতটুকু ট্রেনিং সে আগে করতো তার থেকেও সে তার ট্রেনিংয়ের সেশন বাড়িয়ে দিয়েছিল, ডাবলড, ওকে, দ্বিগুণ করা. I am telling this little bit meaning in Bengali because of those students who can't understand properly. Okay, see, she did lose 4 kilograms but was not at her peak during the competition. She did lose 4 kilograms. Already she did lose, she কমিয়েছে 4 kg ওজন, but was not at her peak during the competition. Peak means speed, right? Yet in a brilliant display of mental strength, she had a brilliant mental strength. Okay, she won the gold medal. She has won many medals at the other events, including a silver at the 2018 Asian Wrestling Championship in Kyrgyzstan and a gold at the 2018 Commonwealth Games. Okay, so these are the awards, these are the medals, whatever she got. She has won many medals at other events. অন্যান্য ইভেন্টসেও প্রচুর মেডেলস উনি জিতেছেন, including a silver at the 2018 in which game? In Asian Wrestling Championship in Kyrgyzstan. It is a name of a place, right? And a gold at the 2018 Commonwealth Games. Okay, she is Vinesh Phogat, and there are some other extra lines. See, Indian sports has already come a long way, with 2019 bringing India 66 medals at the Commonwealth Games and 69 medals at the Asian Games. Okay, in 2018 সালের মধ্যের কথা বলছে। From the Commonwealth Games, India brought 66 medals, and in Asian Games they got 69 medals. Okay, women played a major role at the both the sports season, where women are the major role, main part. They won 12 gold, 10 silver and 6 bronze medal. This is the total medals, amount of total medals, but there boys are also included, women are also included. Okay, so this is telling about the women. They played a major role as they won 12 gold, 10 silver and 6 bronze medals at the Commonwealth Games and 4 gold, 12 silver and 11 bronze medal at the Asian Games. Okay, so this is the amount of quantity of medals which brought by the women. Okay, so this is your second chapter completed with the meaning. Okay, the second chapter first section completed. Okay, this is the second chapter, but this is the first section. See, section 1 is written. Okay, so this is the first section is completed. So there are some questions. Tick the most appropriate points. There are some questions, and before it also there are some questions of the before chapters also. Definitely I will discuss that. Some questions already I have given. Okay, some rest of the questions I will definitely discuss with you. Before that, you can see this. Tick the most appropriate option. The year 2018 saw a change in Indian sport. In India, women take part in the Asian Games. Indians with the few medals at the Asian Games or many records broken at the Asian Games. Which one is the perfect one? You have to understand. You have to read the total chapter, and then you can give the answer. Okay, I think which one should be about Indian women take part in the Asian Games or a change in Indian sport. Okay, so you should understand which one is correct. Next, the sports Hima Das takes part in it. Athletics, swimming, volleyball or football? I think athletics, right? Next, an extra toe on each foot caused Sapna Burman great pain because she could not move comfortably, did not have shoes that fit properly, had a toothache. So which one is perfect? You have to understand. Next, Vinesh Phogat was not at her peak during the competition because she was more than 4 kilograms overweight, was on a liquid diet and so was very tired, has just lost to Yanan son because of an injury, was not mentally strong. So which one should be perfect? You have to think, right? Then there are some questions. Definitely I will discuss with you these questions, and then the answers I will discuss with you, and then complete the table about 3 sportsmen: Hima Das, Sapna Burman, Vinesh Phogat. You got 3 names. You have to write one line. What I know, what I knew, what you knew, what you know, what you got the experience about this 3 person in this chapter. What I have learned and what you have learned. তুমি কি জেনেছো, তুমি কি শিখেছো? What I would like to know, and whatever there you should like to know extra. Okay, so this you have to solve this, right? And next, write the answers. There are some questions. Definitely try to write the answers. Definitely I will give you, I will discuss these answers with you. Next, choose words from the box of to replace the words in italics. Write the sentence. There are some words in box and there are some lines and there are some words are in italics. See this, you have to take the word from this box, which one is a similar meaning of with this word. See, the wrestler was more than 4 kilograms above the requisite weight. See, this requisite, this word is written in italic, little bit italic like, right? So you have to take the similar meaning of requisite from this box. Okay, and you have to write it. What is there? Collected, considered, suffering, important, tragic, recurred. Okay, so what should be the perfect? You have to understand. Try to do, then definitely I will discuss with you. Okay, so these are the homework for you. You should have to do this all, not this question answer. This I will give you this tick mark, this one and this one you have to do, and this question answer I will discuss with you. Okay, so till here you have to do it, and you can send me in comment box also. Okay, so thank you so much. Wait for the next video. Have a nice day.